They put a Galaxy vibe tonight, people. It's a cruise through. Big man, them Wally Pacquiao, you know. I'm telling you, man. These people got the game locked differently. Different lockage. If you're around the car, man, them you'll know. Whole new level, whole new living. Slowly, the office, man, Jesus. Just like they said in training, man, them man are just different. But it is what it is right now still. Or what it is. Try and make it something different, but they're not gonna make man just bore through and mash up the place like that. I saw it coming, I saw it still, you know. But yeah, the Galaxy are pushed through. Different vibe completely out of everything we've been driving recently. Not really my style, in all honesty. Not really my style. It only really wants big road. It don't. I was just on the whole heap of diversion and ran some country lane and some roundabout on some country road, A21 London Road, and boy, I didn't really enjoy it really. I don't know if a petrol engine would have more drivability. The diesel might be a little bit sluggish. But yeah, I gotta take this car here, people.